of these. Chartreuse pearl.
Do you have a rewards card?
No.
Does she call you on 4115? Yeah. Call her, tell her to go.
Are we on? Okay, thank you. Oh, this guy's got joggers with Crocs on right now.
And Indian socks on.
And then socks. Guys, we're at the lake.
Past that rock?
Yeah, past the rock. You want to get it right on top of the rock. So when we were at Bass Pro Shops, we saw a big Bassmaster 1 there. It was pretty crazy. But anyway, we're here. We're here fishing. We only have like 45 minutes of sunlight left, but we're gonna fish a little bit anyway. That carp just jumped over there anyway, but I'm probably gonna put a Senko on this one, on my Carbonlite. You got him? Zach's got the first fish of the day. Is it nice? It does look nice. Alright, get him up here. Alright, do I need to get him? Oh, flip that bad boy. Alright. Alright, I'll get the scale ready. Nice fish. We've only been here for like 2 minutes, and Zach's already got the first fish. I think that was a fish I caught the other day. Alright, let's get this guy in the water as quick as we can.
Take a picture.
Alright, hold on. Here, let me see the bass real quick. Alright. So he is 1 pound. 1.1 pounds right there. So you can see. Alright. Alright. So
Take a picture.
we're gonna get a picture real quick. Alright. Now we're gonna get a good release on her. So go ahead and put her back in. There's a dude over there stalking us. Alright, there she goes. Nice fish. There's a dude over there stalking us. What the heck is that? What's going on? Alright, hold on.
A few moments later.
Oh my. Gosh, it's freaking pouring. Oh my gosh. Shoot. Oh my god, it's pouring. Oh my gosh. It is absolutely pouring. Dude, I'm soaked. Got him. There we go. Alright, chill. Alright, man, don't hook me. Alright, ignore the amulets in the background, but nice about pound bass. Not gonna weigh him because the bag is all the way over there, but let's get a nice release on her. Alright. Here she goes. So me and my brother have thought of a challenge to do. Whoever catches the most bass wins, and the loser has to jump in our pool, so it's definitely a challenge. If you haven't seen Fishing the Midwest's latest video, that's what we're going to be doing, but just not in a lake. So hopefully I don't have to jump in the water, so let's get fishing. Oh shit. Yeah.
That's a bigger one.
Oh, second bass of the day. Ouch.
Oh.
Somebody's gonna have to go swimming. Oh shoot. Alright. Alright, there. No, I'm not gonna weigh him. He's not too. Well, I don't know. He's probably around a pound. Alright, I'm gonna get a picture. Dude.
Alright, so I got nominated to do the Fighting Fish TV challenge by Bassin 247. I waited a month to do this, so my bad, Bassin 247. But here it is. My favorite species to fish for are largemouth bass.
Bro, he's all the way over there and he's still honking.
Alright, so my three favorite brands to fish with are Strike King, Zoom, and Yum. Biggest fish I've ever caught was probably around a 70-pound stingray I caught at Hilton Head Island. My biggest bass is 4.2 pounds. Alright, so my three favorite lures to fish with are a square bill crankbait, a spinnerbait, and a weightless Senko. Alright, so it's starting to rain and we gotta go soon, so I don't know if I finished the whole Fighting Fish TV challenge, so I guess I failed the challenge. But thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time on Addicted to Fishing 12.
What are those? Hold on. What are those? The white Crocs. I'm guessing it's probably on 2.